That's a lot, yeah.
Oh! Son of a...
You alright?
No.
Oh, oh dear.
What? Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, I spent all yesterday thinking, how can I simplify what I do? And I've managed to simplify it by bringing the wrong camera and 2 microphones and an 8-foot selfie stick, which I won't be using today because it's
got to be better than now, really. There's that much wind in it. You behave.
I've done this on a Wednesday for ages, it might be full of tanks. Nope. No thank you. Ooh, red flag. Hey, see, they must be doing the rat-a-tat-boom and all that nonsense. What? How the hell do you enforce social distancing on the highway? If they're in a field, how the hell can you tell where they are anyway? Is that one? No, it's a hedge. Is that? No, it's a bush. Jenkins, where are you? Hey, Sergeant.
We need to eat cows, otherwise
Yeah,
all
we
the
do.
methane gas.
Not chickens.
Yeah, we need to. All the methane gas is going to kill us. Why did the chicken cross the road?
It didn't. It stopped. No. Anyway.
He's off the road.
Oh no.
Hold on.
You get better footage if you do. Yeah, so you don't have to quite a lot. Yeah.
Oh!
Son of a! Bastard. It is the way. It was a grouse, it wasn't a pheasant, or I would be livid. There's still bits of it everywhere.
I think it's just knocked it off though, it's not damaged. It's damaged the grass. I think it ricocheted himself. Yeah, it's just knocked it out. I think that's all.
Newer station, you know.
Yeah.
Godly thingy.
Well done. Superb. Well,
Right.
what would you... Unbelievable.
Did she even turn the wheel?
God knows.
It's just like... nope. Right back. She'd have to go through the fields.
She'd have had to go through the trees a bit.
Yeah,
but
she
you
would
know.
have gone behind me.
But that's not the point. You're sort of like giving her more space. Oh my god.
Will you stop taking the camera? Really hates you today. Your cheese has gone everywhere. I like this station.
There's a... Oh my god. What every time was that?
Oh, it's coming in. Stopping, isn't she?
Yeah.
Oh, timing! Timing! Oh, jeez! I've got time for parking. Ain't got no time for parking. I have to run over the bridge now.
You are.
You're not getting out?
I will walk at a leisurely pace and observe
You're
that
still
really
here,
nice
Lee.
footbridge.
You're still here, Lee.